Have you ever noticed how some people seem to bounce back quickly from an illness, while others take a much longer time to recover? It is a natural human variation, and it gets us wondering about more complex health challenges. Yes, dementia absolutely can and often does progress at different rates from one person to another. There is no single, predictable timeline that applies to everyone diagnosed with dementia. Each individual's journey is unique. The core reason for this variability lies in a complex interplay of factors, including the specific type of dementia a person has, such as Alzheimer's disease, vascular dementia, Lewy body dementia, or frontotemporal dementia, each with its own typical progression pattern. Additionally, an individual's overall health plays a crucial role. Coexisting conditions like heart disease, diabetes, or stroke can significantly influence how quickly dementia symptoms worsen. Genetic predispositions, age at diagnosis, and even lifestyle factors like diet, exercise, and cognitive engagement are all powerful contributors to the pace of decline, creating a highly personalized trajectory for each person. Understanding this varied progression means that a personalized approach to care and planning is essential. To get a clearer picture for an individual, healthcare professionals relying on thorough assessments that consider medical history, neurological exams, cognitive tests, and sometimes brain imaging. While it is impossible to perfectly predict the future, these evaluations help establish a baseline and identify specific factors that might influence the rate of progression, allowing caregivers and families to prepare more effectively. A key concept in understanding this variability is cognitive reserve, which refers to the brain's ability to cope with disease or damage without showing outward signs. Individuals with higher cognitive reserve, often built through education, challenging occupations, and lifelong learning, may be able to mask the effects of dementia for longer, even if the underlying brain changes are occurring at a similar rate to someone with less reserve. This does not mean the disease progresses slower, but rather that the symptoms become apparent later in the disease process. Ultimately, recognizing that dementia progression is highly individual is not just a medical observation. It is a profound insight that shapes how we provide support and care. It emphasizes the importance of continuous monitoring, adapting care strategies as needs change, and focusing on maintaining quality of life at every stage. This understanding helps families and caregivers navigate the journey with greater compassion, flexibility, and informed decision-making, ensuring that care remains person-centered and responsive to evolving needs.